If you're seeing a Tinkercad login error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back into your projects. This issue is usually caused by browser data, the wrong sign-in method, a network block, or even a temporary Autodesk service outage. The good news is that most login problems can be solved in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's start with the most common fix, clearing your browser data. Sometimes corrupted cache or cookies can stop Autodesk from properly validating your login session. Open your browser settings and find the Privacy or History section. Clear cached images and files, and also clear cookies for the last 24 hours. If you want to be extra careful, you can clear only recent browsing data first so you don't lose everything. After that, fully close your browser, then reopen it. This refreshes the session and removes stuck login tokens that may be causing the error. Now try signing in again. If the problem continues, test your login in an incognito or private window. This is a great way to check whether browser extensions are interfering with the Tinkercad sign-in page. Extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy tools can sometimes break the authentication process. In a private window, those issues are often bypassed, which helps you confirm whether the browser itself is the problem. Next, make sure you're using the correct account and the correct login method. Tinkercad uses Autodesk single sign-on, so if you normally sign in with Google or Apple, you need to use that same method again. A lot of login errors happen when people accidentally try a different email and password on the Autodesk sign-in page. If your account was originally created with Google, don't switch to a separate Autodesk email login unless you know that account exists. Matching the exact sign-in method is very important because the system expects the same identity provider every time. If you still can't get in, check your network. Turn off any VPN or proxy service before trying again. These tools can trigger access denied messages or 403 errors because Autodesk may see the connection as unusual or blocked. If you're on a school or work network, the issue may not be your account at all. Ask the IT department whether .tinkercad.com and .autodesk.com are allowed on the network. Some firewalls block the secure connection needed for the login handshake, which prevents Tinkercad from authenticating properly. Another important step is checking Autodesk server status. Go to the official Autodesk Health dashboard and see whether Tinkercad services are experiencing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, the login error is not something you can fix locally. In that case, the only solution is to wait until Autodesk restores service. To confirm whether the issue is on your side or theirs, try logging in from a different device, such as your phone or another computer. If it works elsewhere, then the problem is likely local to your browser or network. If it fails everywhere, it may be account-related or a service outage. To summarize, the fastest fix for a Tinkercad login error is to clear cache and cookies, restart your browser, try incognito mode, verify that you're using the correct Autodesk sign-in method, disable VPNs or proxies, check school or corporate firewall settings, and confirm whether Autodesk services are online. These steps solve the majority of login issues without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're still stuck. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.